Hi guys, this is long division with Ms. Maliki. Long division can be done in a whole bunch of different ways. You just have to figure out which way works for you the best. Sometimes you might use one method or strategy to double check the other strategy. But let's look at this. So here we have a problem. 721 divided by 3. Let's think about it. Okay. We're going to do the traffic lanes method on this showing. And traffic lanes means you have to divide your problem into a form you can work with. So we're going to rewrite that problem 721 divided by 3 as a gazenta. That means 3 goes into 721. So here come the traffic lanes. We're doing this so that our numbers don't wander around when we write them down. Okie dokie now. So, when we divide, we're going to think about the steps. We've done our traffic lanes. Divide, multiply, subtract, compare the results. Bring down the next number. Circle the new number. So here we go. 3 goes into 7. Yeah, it looks like 700. We're actually dividing 3 goes into 700. And we're going to work in the hundreds lane. 3 goes into 700. How many times? Well, 3 will go into 7 2 times. Okay, so we're going to multiply 3 times that 2, and we should get 6. Okay, so we've divided, we've checked it out by multiplying our guess, and we have 6, which means 3 times 200, basically, as the 2 is in the hundreds place, equals 600. Okay, so we're going to do the subtracting now. 7 take away 6, or 700 take away 600, gives us 100. Let's look at our chart. We've divided, we've multiplied, we've subtracted, and we have some results. Now we're going to compare the results. You can ask about the results in a number of different ways, but I like to ask 2 questions instead of 1. And those 2 questions are the results the same as the divisor? Are the results more than the divisor? That's the more than sign. If you can say no, you're good. Are the results the same as or equal to the divisor? If you say no, that's good too, because you have some good results. So, here are the results. Is the results the same as the divisor? Nope, because 1 and 3 are 2 different numbers. Are the results equal or the same? Oh, we did that. Are the results more than the divisor? Well, the 1 and the 3, 2 different numbers, and the 1 is not more than the 3, so the results are not more than the divisor. The answer is no again, which means we can move on, bring down the next number. See, I'm drawing my arrow now. So when you do this strategy, be sure you put your arrow, and you can keep on track as to where you are. Yes, you have to go through all these steps when you're first learning how to divide. When you become an expert, you don't have to do all this rigmarole, but for right now, you're starting to learn. This is how it goes. So now, we have brought down the next number, and let's look at our chart again. Bring down the next number. Now we do what? We circle the new number. So we're going to circle the new number. This is the new number we're working with, 12. It is not 1, it is 12. Actually, if you look at it number-wise on our place value chart, it's 120. But we're going to, for ease of operations here, we're going to call it 12. So 3 goes into 12. How many times? What times 3 will give you 12? Let's pick a number. Okay, could be 4. Well, that was easy. Alrighty then. So I'm going to put a 4. Now I'm going to test this. Remember, you got to test your number by multiplying. 4 times 3 is 12. See, keep your numbers underneath the lanes you're working on. I can't put that over here because I'm not working in that lane. I have to put it over here in this section. So now I'm going to subtract. 12 take away 12 is nothing. I'm going to compare my results. Are my results the same as my divisor? No. Are the results more than my divisor? No. Well then, I'm good to go. Bring down my next number. I haven't finished because I still have this other number to deal with. So bring down my next number. Gotta bring my traffic lane down here too. Okay, some more traffic lane here. Okay, bring down my next number, which is a 1. So now, 3 goes into 1. How many times? Well, it won't fit. No times will it go. So I'm going to put my 0 there. I'm going to multiply 3 times 0 equals 0. Because if you give you nothing 3 times, you have nothing. I'm going to subtract. 1 take away nothing is 1. I'm going to compare my results. Is this 1 more than my divisor? No. Is this 1 the same as my divisor? No. Well, then I have finished. I have a remainder of 1. And when you get advanced, you'll write your remainder as 1/3, because your divisor is 3, and it's still 3. Okay, so now I'm going to let you look through this, and you talk yourself through this problem again, and I'm going to be very quiet while you do this. So there we have it. Let's review the steps again. You divide, you multiply. Some people like to say we test the answer. We test our guessing. Subtract, compare the results. That's a very important step. You bring down the next number. Circle your new number. There are some folks who will say, you can say, okay, remember daddy, mother, sister. Then they hop down to brother. And that's good to help you remember the basic steps. But remember, there are the fine tunings in between. And you know, if you don't keep your numbers underneath the numbers where you're supposed to be working with your numbers, you're going to need those traffic lanes. Well, this is the traffic lane method. And we'll do a different video for a different strategy at another time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.